Just small.
Hello. Today is Tuesday, and today we are going where?
To the IKEA museum.
Finally.
No, I don't know, like, since like it's so close, I don't think people have gotten their like heads to do it.
It's like living in India, not going to
Like the
Taj Mahal.
Yeah, it's kind of like the same.
Yeah, exactly.
Okay, not that big of a deal.
Yeah, true. But we are off.
We are. Oh, the baby.
Does school finish at this time?
Yeah, some people in school now.
Oh.
It's like running in
I
the
know.
rain.
Oh.
Baby.
IKEA museum. It's pretty big too.
It's pretty big.
Yeah. You can print it. Oh my god, that's so cool. I didn't know that you could print it. Wait. Wait, click. Ooh. This is really cool. But my name's wrong. Look, that's my name.
Sandy.
This is actually really cool. Eden, I'm gonna go upstairs, okay? Okay. That's why we are out of breath. But the museum was really good. It was really good.
Yeah, it was good. I liked it.
Okay. That's it.
Alright, to Maxi.
Yeah, we're gonna go to Maxi to grocery shop for some sushi stuff that we're gonna make today.
Sushi, that's good.
No, you can eat this.
It's a gamble though.
Huh?
We're living on the edge. No.
What are you saying?
It's going good. Ja, att vi lever på kanten.
Yes, Master Chef Philip. What are we cooking today?
Sushi.
So we're making sushi. And how does a professional
It has
chef
to be like
make
tight.
sushi?
So you have to like.
But this shouldn't.
No.
No?
It shouldn't.
So
You have to like sort of.
wait.
You can roll without that if you find it difficult.
Oh yeah?
I never use that.
The face of a man that's doing great actually. Wow.
Wait.
This is the masterpiece
I'm so excited.
of us done.
The soup is so good. Did you put wasabi in the soup, you want?
Are you supposed to do it?
No.
In the soup?
No, because before you guys were talking about like, oh, so much wasabi. And they're just like, oh, you put it in the soup?
No, I
But then I'm missing the soup.